Hi guys, we will be opening a LOL Super JK doll and there's 15 surprises.
We're going to drop it on the floor.
Yeah.
And it's, what's her name?
Neon Cutie, and she's like a tween to the other LOL dolls.
Cool.
And you can get Diva,
Yeah.
like a few other ones too.
Cool. Show me.
Queen B, and I can't read that.
Show me it. MC Swag, Diva, and then you have got Neon Cutie. Right, so we're going to open this little beauty today. Am I going to pause it for that part?
No.
Oh, are you sure? Yeah, I think we might need to careful your fingers.
I'm careful, Mummy.
Not as easy as we thought. Right, we're pausing. We'll be back.
Bye.